Here we go again. You know what? I'm going to try something different. Look, guys, at the end of the day, if you want to be successful with Shopify dropshipping in 2023, there must be a certain framework you must put in place, okay? Now, everyone wants to know, what is the magic formula to be successful with dropshipping? And in this video, I'm going to reveal it. I'm going to talk about the exact framework that I used that has brought me over $7 million in sales with Shopify dropshipping over the last 5 years. I built and scaled my e-commerce business to the moon at the age of 22 years old because I use this framework. And if you use this framework, you watch all the way through, you implement it, I guarantee you're gonna see some massive success using this exact framework. Why? It's because it worked for me. And I'm not just one of these gurus out there like Gary Vee. Got him! No, I'm kidding. I love Gary Vee, great guy. But at the end of the day, this is not just going to be one of these motivational fluffy videos. It's going to be an actual strategy that you should implement right after watching this video. Of course, if you want to make some money and you want to build an e-commerce store that's actually successful and that doesn't sell fidget spinners, then keep watching. I've broken down the framework into 3 important pillars. We're going to discuss each pillar in depth. I created a flow chart, and yes, I spent a lot of time on this video. So I'd appreciate if you hit that like button, subscribe button, and support the family. And because I want you to watch all the way through, if you want access to this flow chart, then you watch all the way through and I'll tell you where to get it for free. Good? Great. Let's get into the video. All right, so here is the framework and it goes in depth. So we're gonna go through each step by step. And this is the exact steps that you must take to be successful with Shopify dropshipping. And let's go through each one. The first thing is product research, okay? Obviously, it's very important to choose the right product. And if you're brand new to Shopify dropshipping or you want to make money online, you just don't know where to turn, do not know the strategy, or you're struggling right now, then this video is going to be for you because we're going to break down what your next step is going to be, okay, at all times. And you can always refer back to this framework if you're stuck at any time, okay? So step 1 is obviously choosing the right product. If you want to sell products online, choosing the right product is key, okay? And what I like to look for is a product that screams, wow, this is awesome. I need this, okay? It's very important that you go ahead and you find a product just like this. And I have cheat sheets and videos on my channel in my program that goes over all this. Now, once you go ahead and actually choose a product, then it's time to find the price of this product. And this is the problem that everyone does. They go out there and they find a product that they can get for $10 and sell for $20. Now, if you're just relying on a $10 profit or a 2x profit, you're probably not gonna get so far with Shopify dropshipping. I'm sorry, okay? Now, you need to remember that I don't use AliExpress for my shipping. I just use AliExpress to check my prices, and then once I get orders, I contact a private supplier like Commercive, and they will go ahead and ship my products to my customer. I don't have to touch a product, and it's super fast shipping, so that's awesome. Now, I like to look and make sure that this product has at least 3 to 5x margins. That means I can get it for, let's say, $5 and sell it for $30, right? That's awesome. Now, once you go ahead and check that off, it's time to move on. Now, this is where it gets really freaking awesome, okay? This is where it gets awesome. Now, the first thing you want to do is the website, okay? Once you choose your product, build out your website. Make sure that your website looks super high quality. It has GIFs, pictures, has a good description, but not too much text where it kind of, gets people bored of your website, right? No one likes to read today. I'm sorry, okay? They like to watch videos and GIFs, and that's why YouTube's so powerful, and that's why I love making videos for you guys, because I'm not here to write blogs. I'm pretty young for that. So now, as you can see, I use the Sense theme or premium themes in my Discord. For those students in my Discord, you get access to premium themes, but the Sense theme is completely free. You can use that. It's very important you have the right offer. A good offer is maybe buy one, get one free, right? Free gift, something like that. And make sure you add really good, great reviews, okay? Now, once you go ahead and do that, it's important that you have 3 to 5 ads, 3 to 5 creatives, videos that shows off your product in the right way, okay? Now, study ads in your in the niche that you're in. And I use PP ads or any of these spy tools, and I look at ads that are crushing it in my niche, and I literally try to replicate that in my own way, okay? So what you wanna do in order to make these video ads, I usually download content from TikTok using a website called SnapTik. And then I take all those content and I put it together in a really, really amazing video that's no longer than 10 to 25 seconds, okay? Add some music, add some background voice, and then go ahead and you can use CapCut for this, and then add some text over on, you can upload it to TikTok and you add some text, or you can upload it to Instagram, add some text, download that, bam. Just like that, you're gonna have a video ad ready to go. Now, once you go ahead and do that, it's time to launch ads. You must have your website set up correctly. Make sure you test it. Make sure your website works. Make sure your creatives look fire, okay? Then it's time to launch ads. Once you launch ads, I'm gonna zoom up for a second, okay? And I'm gonna explain each one, okay? You do not wanna miss out what's about to happen, okay? Once you launch ads, we usually have a $50 or $100 budget per day. And if we don't make sales the first day, we're gonna cut off, okay? We're gonna cut the product. That's it. It's literally that simple. If you get sales, right? If you get no sales, you want to optimize and move on to a new product, okay? Ask yourself, why did you fail, bro? Maybe your website was whack. Maybe your creatives weren't that good, right? You got to always ask yourself, how can I improve next time? Now, if you do launch and you get sales, that's awesome. You spend $50, you got $100 back. Boom, you're getting sale after sale after sale. That's a winner right there, okay? And what you want to do is you want to optimize and scale. So just keep doubling down on what's working. Anything that, you spend $50 in ads, you got a printer. Imagine I gave you a printer where you put in $50 and you got $100 back. You want to put as much money in there as possible, right? So that's what we do. We spend more money on ads, okay, on the things that are working. We turn off the ads that are not working, and we scale the ones that are working, okay? You can add in more creatives. You can try email marketing, like just make sure you have emails to get those customers that are not buying. And then go ahead and add a upsell on the back end. You could scale ads. You could double down on the ads that are working, okay? So there's definitely a lot of ways to improve your profit margin and to make more money, okay? Obviously, from there, you want to make sure that your private agent is attached into your store. So they're gonna go ahead and do all the order shipment, all the order tracking, all the fast shipping for you, best pricing, all of that. That's Commercive or any other supplier. There's like CJ Dropshipping. But yeah, there is basically a Discord where you can access for Commercive, and they will go ahead and install an app into your store. So you just pay whatever the product cost is, and they ship it directly to the customer. And it's better pricing and shipping speeds than AliExpress. Okay. Now this is the business model, and I want you to remember that unfortunately there is a lot of people out there that get into dropshipping, and they usually quit somewhere around this process after maybe product 1 or 2. Why? Because they're lazy, and not many people are meant for the business world. But if you're like me, as a 17-year-old kid, I told myself, I'm gonna start this online thing, right? I'm gonna start selling products online from my laptop. I was like, what the hell is this? I was like, oh my gosh, this is crazy. I can sell things from my laptop. I don't need to go out there and be an adult to make money, or I can just me and my laptop, right? I can be at home, launch it. I can be at the beach. I can launch products. I can scale ads, right? I can make money while I sleep. That's a dream. And because it's such a dream, right? There's a lot of people in dropshipping. But what I want to tell you is that most people, they never end up doing this process correctly because they're just lazy. They launch a product, they're like, oh my God, it didn't work. Why? Because they launched a product, and let me show you, okay? Okay, so this is what most people do. They launch a product that looks like this. Slushy cup, yellow, with a ton of text and a not even finished website. How in the world are you supposed to get sales on a website like this? I'm sorry, it's impossible, okay? And instead, what you should be building, you should be building website just like this, okay? Obviously, this is not the best looking website, but overall, way better than this. Come on, okay? So that's the first step. Then obviously your ads. It's very important, make great ads. And then lastly, launch them. And I guarantee you, if you do the process correctly and you do this over and over and not just do it with 1 product, 2 products, increase your quality and how fast you do it, you will find your winner and everything will pop off. Trust me, I've been there. I remember when I first got started and my first product was not successful. Why? I was selling some random dog product. My website looked like crap, okay? And trust me, looking back at it right now, I probably would never even think in my wildest dreams to even sell that product to my mom. And I want you to be honest with yourself next time you launch a product. Would you sell this product to your mom? Would your mom even buy this? Okay? And Sometimes you got to be honest with yourself. And if you do this correctly, you put the work in, you do this over and over, and every single time you improve on the process, you will absolutely crush it. I've hit days where I made $35,000 in a single day, and this is the exact process that I did. I went ahead and found that product. I went ahead and built out that website, super fire freaking website, and I made a really good offer, great reviews, great landing page. Everything was perfect. The ads were on point. I wanted to buy the product. I was watching those video ads and I'm like, oh my God, this is awesome. This is amazing. I need this product. I want this product. And I launched it on, whether it was TikTok ads or Snapchat or Facebook. And I've had success in all those platforms. Right now we're running TikTok ads because it's just the easiest way to scale. It's a little inconsistent, but it works. And this is the coolest thing, that you have access to build a business from your laptop. Now, the cool part is that all these things right here will allow you to understand buyer psychology, will allow you to build websites, will allow you to make amazing video ads and ads in general. And if you learn how to do these, this is something that Harvard doesn't even teach you. So this is the coolest part, is that you can learn how to build an e-commerce business from a laptop. And if you do it right, you can absolutely crush it. I've had people in my program absolutely do insane numbers. Let me show you. As you can see, this is our Discord chat, okay? And we've had guys, this is one of the coaches in here, 177K. These are brand new 2 stores. We're at 5 to 10K already with almost both of these stores. And these are brand new stores. I literally started just a week ago. Absolutely insane, okay? This is one of the students in the program, $688 in sales. I think he's at over almost $1,000 in sales per day. Absolutely crazy how many results we have of people getting orders from their store. And it's amazing to see how people are building their own online business from their laptop. This is a member that had 10K in a single day, absolutely crazy. And I can literally scroll up and up and up for hours on how many results we've had from the program. And it's crazy to see that you can do this from a laptop. I want you to take a look at this, okay? This is Emad. Got $200 in sales yesterday from his store, and he only spent $20. That's literally a 10x ROAS on his store. That's absolutely crazy. As you can see, $900 per day on his store as well. Here did $3.25 thousand in sales. This is one of my one-on-one students. People are absolutely crushing you with e-com. And if you want to get involved and you want to join my program, you want to be a part of Ecom Operations University, there's going to be a link right in the description. It's a free training to watch, and then book a call with either me or one of my team members. We'll hop on and see if you're the right fit, and we'll go over the pricing structure and the best package for you. You could also message me on Instagram, the word ecom. And if you have any questions at all, I'd be glad to answer them in the comment section below. Just comment your questions. I'm in there answering everyone's questions. I appreciate everyone's support. Make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos coming soon. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next banger. Peace.